This is the given sequence. Number of terms is 7. Find a sub 7. First, take the reciprocal of this sequence. So these are the reciprocals, or you may simply write like this. 8 minus 4 is 4. 12 minus 8 is 4. So their common difference is 4. Then use the formula of arithmetic sequence. Then substitute all the given values. A sub 1 is 4. Number of terms is 7. And the common difference is 4. Substitute. Solving for a sub 7 equals 28. And the reciprocal of 28 is 1 over 28.